everyone, I'm Angie and I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3D book page star. It's going to look just like this. Our craft kit will come with 6 book pages pre-cut into squares, but you are going to need glue. You can use a glue stick or liquid glue, whatever you prefer. You're going to need a pair of scissors, and an optional is going to be a stapler. So what we're first going to do is, when you take your square, you're going to fold it in half or across, making a big triangle. It's going to look like that. And then you're going to fold it one more time into a smaller triangle. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then it's going to look like this. And it's going to have like a little opening. And you're going to do that to all 6 papers. And then the next step, you're going to have your point facing the side and the open flap will be upward. You're going to take your scissors and you're going to make 3 cuts from small, medium, and big. So it's going to be a small one like that. The medium will go a little bit higher, and then your last cut will go right a bit higher. So it's going to look like 4 little flaps. And you're also going to repeat this to all 6 papers. So when you get all 6 papers, they will be all open like this. There we go. And these are going to be your star points. So after that, I'm going to show you how to make our little spiral or little curl. You're going to want to open it up, get your glue ready. Okay. You're going to take the first intersection, which is going to be these little smaller triangles. You're going to get one and you're going to glue just the tip like that, and then you're going to loop it around, and it's going to make kind of like a little tunnel, and it's going to be like that. Then you want to flip it over and do the same step to your second flap, making another tunnel. And then you're just going to repeat this to all of your little cuts, just going back and forth to all 6 pages, like that. There we go. And now you'll have one little spiral, like that. Now after you repeat to all 6 of them, you're going to have, they're going to be all like this. You're going to want to take whatever side you like. It could be any tip. I'm just going to use the straight ones because there's some that has like a book cutout, but I'm just going to use the straight one because it's my preference. And you're going to want to align them together, just like this. For this step, I'm going to use a stapler because it's the best hold for me personally, but you could either glue all of these pieces by one, but I think a stapler is probably the easiest and the fastest, but you can always take your time to glue each and every one. So with the stapler, I'm just going to clip it or staple it right here, and there we go. And I'm just gonna fix it up, make sure they don't look weird, and there you go. You have your 3D page book star.